Hey guys, I hope you're well. I wanted to make this video yesterday, but I wasn't ready yet. Still recovering. Because the neighbor kid was pounding out some prime beats, man. That little kid's come a long way, man. He was playing some of my favorite beats. Isn't that messed up? He's like 12. Second year drumming, and I've got favorite beats of his. I need to take a break from ham radio for just a little while and regroup at my electronics bench and come to grip with a few things there. And I wanted to shift gears while this is on my mind. I mentioned in a few videos I'm babbling. I'm tongue-tied. I mentioned in a previous video, I left off by saying, what is it? I'm going to try to hold you steady. I can't turn on the anti-shake mode because for whatever reason, YouTube assassinates the quality on those videos. What I'm confused is this 1989 John Deere 318. When I bought it, I looked at it closely and I realized something. There's no rust on it. There wasn't when I bought it, but there had been a little at one time. And we'll look at that. I'll try to show you there's only a little bit of pitting in this thing, and it's up in that area right there in front of the seat. Shaky. And so what I'm wondering is, guys, I am comfortable doing electronic restorations, vintage radio restorations and such, because my philosophy when restoring a radio is not to make it look like it just came out of a factory and it's sitting on a store shelf somewhere, a radio store shelf. No. My philosophy is to place that radio in a suspended state of decay, because I clean the chassis, but I don't polish it. I want it to retain its character, and that's the problem I'm having with this. I don't know what to do. This machine is so danged clean. I could make it look like the day it hit the showroom floor if I wanted to. I've almost already done that with the chassis. But the main thing is, man, those uprights on each side, those panels, a lot of mower guys like to call them tins, and this fender deck. Now let's look at some of the decay. You'd expect a lot around where your feet go. Now I don't know if you can exactly, there we go. You can see the pitting in the metal. It's been painted repeatedly. You see the shiny metal where my right foot goes? If I could get out of the light. I had that painted, but I have never used primer because my goal was just to stop the oxidation of the metal. Well, it needs primer. Here's an area of pitting. There we go. Right there, where the label's torn away. And here's my thing, man. Let me pan around. Here's my thing, man. That pitting is so minor that, a little bit of Bondo and some sandpaper and it's gone if it were to be repainted. Look at this, though. Do you see the lines in the paint? Ooh, the light catches them. When I first looked at this before paying the man, before buying it, I looked at those lines and thought, what the hell did this guy do? It looks like it's been brushed on. Yeah, I don't know if you can buy John Deere green for brushing on. I don't know. Maybe. They make all kinds of farm implement paint. Maybe farmers do just slop it on with a brush. I would if I was a farmer, if I could afford it. And I'll be asking you the question that's confusing the crap out of me, right? Now, we're taking a pretty good close-up look at the imperfections. Oh, I wish I could capture this. Kind of can. See, this phone is capturing the pitting beautifully. But beyond pitting, you have raised parts like that. It's not rust under there, it's paint. Right? When I bought this, the two hood labels were very faded and torn up, so I bought a set of those for 35 bucks ish, $36 maybe. The other one's in perfect condition still. This one's starting to pull away in a couple places. I will be fixing that, given the price of labels. Okay, let's look at the hood before I ask you my question. Hood's nice and shiny because I waxed it. But look at the paint. Look at the lines, man. Everything else is metal. This hood's fiberglass. Look at the lines. So those uprights are in pretty piss poor shape, as are the corners of those panels, those tins. And I painted that corner of that tin right there, center screen. That is not rust. That's hot melt glue that dripped away from the headlight when I tried to use hot melt glue to repair it. It won't work. Okay. I'm trying to give you. I've taken a really fine tip paintbrush and some slightly off-white ceramic paint and painted the raised lettering on the dash panel there. You can see this dash panel, unfortunately, above and below the headlight switch is cracked. It's too bad. And now my question. What is it? Is it a tractor screaming for a beautiful factory paint job? It's a 1989 John Deere 318. Is that what it's asking me to do? I can. In a way, it seems like if I do, I'm killing it. I don't want to kill my tractor, my riding mower. If I'm going to clown on the other tractor enthusiasts and call them mower guys, I got to call myself a mower guy too. I love lawnmowers, riding and otherwise. Or do I call it a well cared for old man who would love to serve proudly as he is until I'm done with him? What say you guys? Where's Blitzy? What say you, Blitzy? Daddy's got to go to the store. Hey, you want to say bye to the fellas? He's pretty shy. He really is. He's shy. When company comes over, sometimes he'll tuck his face under the edge of one of his day beds or a towel or a pillow. He has many. I love you, Blitzy. What say you? I hope you're well. I hope you watched my last 2 videos if you're a ham radio operator. Oh boy. I'll talk to you later. Take it easy. 73 Mower Guys. Bye.